Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope everyone is doing fine today. Today we are going to do a new lesson which is very important, and I would love that you guys pay attention and listen to me carefully when I go over the charts, and then you go after the charts, repeat after me 2 or 3 times or as many times as you can, and then later on you go after them 2 or 3 times and till you memorize them. So I would like you to memorize these charts. These are very important as they will shape the way how we learn other words, and these are going to be, inshallah, very easy. So we start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We seek Allah's help to make it easy for us. May Allah make all the lessons easy for you and me, and try to repeat everything that you learn, because when you repeat, you make it solid memory in your mind. When you repeat something, it goes in your long term memory. When you don't repeat something multiple times, it stays in your short term memory. So when you have to convert something from your short term memory to your long term memory, then you have to go over it multiple times. And inshallah, Allah will make it very easy for you and put a lot of khair in your time and in your life, in your health, in your body, and in your families. Everywhere, Allah will put a lot of khair if you do it sincerely. For Allah's sake, you're doing recitation of Allah's book. You're learning Arabic for the sake of Allah. So, inshallah, Allah will make it very easy for you. Very, very easy for you. And Quran is the best thing that happened to us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us the Quran. We are very blessed. We are extremely blessed. It's more valuable than gold and diamonds. So we should pay a lot of attention to the Quran. May Allah Ta'ala make it the spring of our hearts. It is so beautiful. May Allah make us realize the true value of the Quran. And may Allah make us Quran students forever and ever till the day we die. May we keep learning the Quran, keep reading the Quran till the day we die. Inshallah. So let's start with the lesson. And Quran, I have to tell you, just like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us that honey has shifa, and we know that black seeds, they have shifa, and they have shifa for everything except death. That is also something we learn. So Quran, I must tell you that the Quran has shifa for everything, every kind of depression, every feeling, bad feeling, everything that, stresses us in feelings, emotions. Quran is a healing for all the problems. Just like honey, just like black seeds, Quran is a healing for all the problems. We just have to grab it and use it like that. We just need to dive into it, immerse into it. Inshallah, it will become a remedy and healing for all the problems. Inshallah. That is what I believe. And Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran that Allah does not wrong anyone. And everyone, if they are punished, they don't get paid for except what they have done. So we have to be very careful and never think that Allah Ta'ala will ever do anything wrong to anybody except for what they have called for, they have done with their own hands. So we seek Allah's refuge from doing anything wrong, and we seek Allah's mercy that may Allah forgive us for anything that we do wrong, and may we only increase in khair, may we only increase in good deeds. And we have to make sure that we keep doing good deeds. Every moment is an opportunity to do good deeds. So we must make sure that we keep doing good deeds. Every moment is an opportunity. Every moment is an opportunity. I was talking to my friends yesterday how I received an empty email. Somebody sent it by mistake. And I was thinking, how many empty moments we are sending to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are angels with us who are trying to, write down everything that we are saying and doing. But how many empty moments we are sending? How many empty pages? How many opportunities we are missing? So we have to remind ourselves that in this dunya, we are here for action. We are here for action. And what we learn, we have to act accordingly. We have to act on the Quran, because the Quran will bear witness against those people who learn but don't act. So learning the Quran has to go hand in hand with acting on the Quran. You have to walk the talk. So learning the Quran has two aspects: learning and practicing, learning and applying. Without application, learning is incomplete. So may we always bear this in mind, you and me. We have to act and apply and change ourselves according to the Quran. We don't change the Quran according to ourselves, we change ourselves according to the Quran. Let's begin, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn the Muslim chart. I have already sent you the Muslim chart before. We are going to go over it one more time. So I'm going to give you the Arabic and the transliteration in English. Mufrad is singular, and then we have the dual and we have plural. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. I'm reading from top to bottom. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Muslimun is Rafa, Musliman is Nasab, Muslimin is Jar. Muslimun, Muslimani, and Muslimuna are Rafa. Musliman, Muslimaini, and Muslimina are Nasab. Muslimin, Muslimaini, and Muslimina are Jar. So the first row, all three are Rafa. The second row, dual and plural, Muslimaini and Muslimina, they are Nasab. And if you notice, Muslimaini and Muslimina are the same for Nasab and Jar. You have to memorize this. You have to remember this so many times that you convert it from short term to long term memory. So, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So, if you see these forms, then you have to know that which form is Rafa, which form is Nasab, which form is Jar. And Nasab and Jar we find out through context. When we know the context, then we find out if it is Nasab or Jar, because they are identical. Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimina, Muslimina, both are identical. So we find out with the context if there is a harf Jar before it or if there is a harf Nasab before it, and then we will learn about that inshallah later on. So you have to memorize this chart. And Today we are also going to learn fail Madi. I am going to teach you two verb conjugations today. They are very easy, but they are very commonly used. One of them is more common than the other, but these are the patterns that we have to memorize. One is going to be Kala and the other is Nasara. And these are both past tense. Fe'lun, Madiyun, it's past tense. Kala means he said. Kala means he said. And the rest, since you know the pronouns, inshallah, you will do the meanings yourselves. Huwa kala, huma kala, hum kalu. Hiya kalat, huma kalata, hunna kulna. Anta kulta, antuma kultuma, antum kultum, anti kulti, antuma kultuma, antunna kultunna, ana kultu, nahnu kulna. Huwa qala, huma qala, hum qalu. Hiya qalat, huma qalata, hunna kulna. Anta kulta, antuma kultuma, antum kultum. Anti kulti, antuma kultuma, antunna kultunna, ana kultu, nahnu kulna. So from Kala, he said. Kala, both of them said. Kalu, they all said. Kalat, she said. Kalata, both of them, feminine, said. Kulna, all of them ladies said. Kulta, you said. Kultuma, both of you said. Kultum, all of you said. Kulti, you feminine said. Kultuma, both of you said. Kultunna, all of you ladies or females or girls said. Kultu, I said. Kulna, we said. The second verb we are going to do today is Nasara, he helped. Nasara, he helped. Let's do this one. Huwa Nasara, huma Nasara, hum Nasaru. Hiya Nasarat, huma Nasarata, hunna Nasarna. Anta Nasarta, antuma Nasartuma, antum Nasartum. Anti Nasarti, antuma Nasartuma, antunna Nasartunna, ana Nasartu, nahnu Nasarna. Huwa Nasara, huma Nasara, hum Nasaru. Hiya Nasarat, huma Nasarata, hunna Nasarna. Anta Nasarta, antuma Nasartuma, antum Nasartum. Anti Nasarti, antuma Nasartuma, antunna Nasartunna. Ana Nasartu, nahnu Nasarna. Nasara, he helped. Nasara, both of them helped. Nasaru, all of them helped. And so on. I want you to do the meanings yourselves so that you brainstorm a little bit and then that will help you remember the pronouns, their meanings, and inshallah it will help and increase your understanding of the pronouns and the verbs. So this is it for today, and inshallah we'll come in the next class having memorized these three charts: the Muslim chart, the Qala chart, and the Nasara chart. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.